Hey everybody, it's Stephanie. I just wanted to say a few words about Anthony's Garage Door Service in Brentwood, California. That's the 94513 up in NorCal. Anthony's is committed to integrity, quality, and service. They service all brands of garage doors and operators, and all of the parts they use are backed by warranty. And of course, they only use the highest quality parts on their garage doors. Now, if you want to contact Anthony's, if you've backed into your garage door recently, which I have, you want to call 925-418-5606. They're licensed, bonded, and insured. Anthony's a fabulous guy. Still not sure? Hop on the computer and go to Yelp.com. You can find a whole page of 5-star reviews about people just like you who have had great experiences with Anthony's Garage Door Service. Now, they do service the entire East Bay area up in NorCal. However, they call Brentwood home and love their Brentwood clients. So make sure you give them a call. Also, if you're interested, you can text MEGA to 71441 and get a nice coupon that you can redeem at Anthony's. That's MEGA, M3GA, to 71441. Have a great day, everybody.